Ever thought about how secure your digital life really is? We live in a world that's more connected than ever. Our daily routines are intertwined with technology, from the moment we wake up, checking our emails or social media feeds, to online shopping and banking. But with this convenience comes a hidden world of potential risks and vulnerabilities. Imagine a day when you can't access your bank account, or your personal photos get leaked online. These are the harsh realities of the digital world we live in. This brings us to the concept of cybersecurity, a term that may sound complex, but in reality, it's our first line of defense in this digital battlefield. Cybersecurity equips us with the tools and strategies to protect our precious data from malicious threats. It's the digital armor, safeguarding our personal and financial information from unseen enemies. In essence, cybersecurity is the shield that protects us from a world of digital threats. But what do these digital threats look like in real life? Let's take a journey back to the spring of 2017, when a nefarious player in the cyber world unleashed the WannaCry ransomware attack. This wasn't a traditional heist, but a digital hostage situation. The culprit used a worm to infect over 200,000 computers in 150 countries, encrypting their data and demanding a ransom in Bitcoin. The cost was colossal, with damages estimated in the billions. Hospitals, schools, companies, and governments were left crippled, emphasizing that no one is immune to the reach of cyber threats. Fast forward a few months to the summer of the same year, and we find another significant cyber attack, the Equifax data breach. This time, the criminals were after something more personal, our identities. They exploited a vulnerability in a website application to gain access to the sensitive personal data of approximately 143 million consumers. Names, social security numbers, birth dates, addresses, and in some cases, driver's license numbers. A veritable goldmine for identity thieves. The aftermath was devastating, with Equifax's reputation severely damaged and its stock price plummeting. These are not isolated incidents, but alarming reminders of the profound impact cyber threats can have on businesses and individuals alike. They illustrate the new reality we live in, where our data, our digital selves, can be held hostage or stolen with a few keystrokes. The toll of these attacks extends beyond dollars and cents. They erode trust in digital systems, create chaos, and can disrupt vital services that we rely on every day. They expose our vulnerabilities and challenge our understanding of security in a digital world. These examples underscore the critical importance of cybersecurity in our increasingly digital world. They urge us to be vigilant, to understand the threats we face, and to take proactive measures to protect our digital footprints. Because in the end, the digital world is our world, and it's up to us to safeguard it. So, how can we protect ourselves from these threats? Well, the good news is that we are not powerless. In fact, there are several simple yet effective measures we can all take to enhance our cybersecurity. Firstly, let's talk about passwords. Having a strong, unique password for each of your accounts is one of the most effective ways to keep your personal information secure. It's like having a unique key for each lock, reducing the risk of a cyber criminal unlocking your digital life. Next, we have software updates. You know those pesky little notifications that pop up on your device asking you to update your software? They're actually your friends. These updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that hackers might exploit. So, as tedious as it may seem, keep your software up to date. Now, let's move on to suspicious emails or links. The rule of thumb here is simple. When in doubt, don't click. Cybercriminals often use phishing emails or malicious links to trick you into giving them access to your personal information. Be vigilant and always double-check before clicking on anything that seems out of the ordinary. Remember, we all have a role to play in maintaining cybersecurity. It's not just the responsibility of large corporations or the government. Every single one of us can make a difference. By taking these steps, we can all contribute to a safer digital environment. But what does the future hold for cybersecurity? As we march forward, the landscape of cybersecurity is evolving. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are becoming key players in threat detection and response, working tirelessly to outsmart the stealthiest of hackers. And as our reliance on technology grows, so does the demand for cybersecurity professionals. The job market is booming, calling for skilled defenders in this digital arena. As we continue to embrace technology, we must also strengthen our defenses against the evolving landscape of cyber threats. So, how prepared are you? Before we wrap up, we want to take a moment to remind you to stay connected with us. If you find our content valuable and want to learn more about cybersecurity, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Show us your support by clicking the like button and sharing this video with your friends and colleagues who might also find this information useful. And for those of you who want to stay ahead of the game and be the first to know when we release new content, make sure you turn on the notifications. Visual prompts are appearing on the screen now to guide you through each step. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power. So let's continue to learn and grow together. On to the final thoughts.